What's up, YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hope everyone's doing well during this pandemic and doing the jobs that you get. I know it's tough times out there, but anyways, today I want to share with y'all this job I did in my neighborhood. It's a fairly small job. I'm cleaning a driveway, the sidewalks, front porch, and back patio. I did a voiceover on this video because it was so windy you couldn't really hear what I was saying. Just going through and showing y'all my equipment here. So yeah, the first thing I do when I get to the job is just meet with the customer and make sure we're on the same page. She knows exactly what I'm doing for her. And yeah, and then I get started. And the first thing I'm doing here is I have my soft wash system set up. I'm going to spray down everything with all the concrete I'm cleaning with some chemicals. I use sodium hypochlorite mixed with Dawn dish soap and some water. My soft wash system holds about 13 gallons, and that should be enough to cover everything I need to cover as far as the driveway goes, because that's where most of my chemicals will be applied. So here I'm going ahead and applying some chemicals, and had the wrong nozzle on there. I switched over to the fan so I can cover more ground, as you can tell. So yeah, I think it took me about, I want to say about 10 minutes to really cover this whole driveway and just make sure everything was covered with chemicals, and just make sure when you use chemicals that you're just aware of your customers' plants and whatnot. You don't want to give them a clean driveway and kill their plants. So in the wintertime, you can usually get away with it because it doesn't get hot. But I always like to just spray down the plants anyways. And usually as you're cleaning, you're spraying water around anyways. So, but right here I ran out of slack, so I had to go unravel the hose, give myself more slack. That's my soft wash system I was telling y'all about. It's battery operated. I'll leave it on the trailer. So if I needed to apply chemicals in the back, I just use my backpack sprayer, which you can kind of see in the video right there. It's a smaller surface, just a patio, so I don't have to take that soft wash system off the trailer. I try to leave all my equipment on the trailer and work off the trailer as much as I can, or in the back of my truck. So very rarely do I take anything off the trailer besides the surface cleaner, obviously, and my gun. So, but anyways, I'm finishing applying the chemicals here, and then in a second the clip will roll over to me operating the Big Guy surface cleaner. I use a 28-inch Whisper Wash surface cleaner. It does a really good job. Streak free if you find your pace, and just go slow and take your time. So that'll kind of swap over here in a second to me using the Big Guy here in a second. So just finishing up my chemical application here. Yeah, so here we go. Here's the Big Guy surface cleaner. I'm using a 4200 PSI water cannon, cold water system, and it's 4 gallons per minute, which does a great job for these driveways, any type of concrete cleaning. And in the back, I'm going to use my hot water pressure washer. Like I said, it's really dirty back there. I know I don't have it on video. I wish I did, but it was such a windy day. It was hard to record and all that stuff. So that's why I'm doing this voiceover. But this surface cleaner, man, it does a great job. I've used so many different surface cleaners, but this one by far is the best, just in my opinion. So this and with hot water, I mean, you can knock down some pretty big jobs and pretty quickly. So, but yeah, I made this surface cleaning video, this clip, kind of short because you get the concept. So now I'm just spraying everything off. I'm just showing y'all that when you blow everything down to the road, make sure you kind of blow it down to a gutter. You don't want to leave a mess in front of everyone's house, so make sure you spray everything down and clean up after yourself. So, but yeah, this is kind of the process I take, and make sure your sidewalks are cleaned off well. They seem to puddle up. So, but yeah, I hope you like this video. Give me a like, dislike, whatever. Subscribe, ask any questions. I'll be happy to answer those for you. So yeah, Scott Lett here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning, and I hope y'all are staying busy, making that money, and give me a like. Y'all have a blessed day and keep your family safe during this pandemic.